Hello, I've just received this in the post. Let's open it up, take a look inside. So inside we've got this EGLOO camera and a mounting bracket. This camera is going to be great for monitoring your business premises, your home, your pets, your children, and much more. So let's open up the box, I'll show you the contents inside, and then I'll show you how to set up the app to control the camera. So inside, safely packed, we've got the EGLOO camera itself. There's a little protective plastic film on the front there, we can take that off. It's also supplied with a USB cable and a power adapter. Straight away you can see and feel that this is a high quality camera. On the back there we've got an SD slot, and now I'm going to take you through some of the functions and the setup. Not only does this camera have 1080p streaming quality video, it also has night vision detection, and it can check the humidity and temperature. It has motion detection and it can send real-time notifications. So the first thing we're going to need to do is download the app. And on top of the box there's two QR codes, one to the Google Play Store and one to the Apple App Store where we can download it. They've also included underneath the top flap some more QR codes that can take us to some demo videos and some instruction manuals. So once we've scanned the QR code we can then install the app. And then when it's downloaded we can go ahead and open the app. So it's going to ask us to sign up to log in. And then once we've signed up it'll say that our registration has been completed. Thanks for joining us. So now we can log into the app. And now that we're in the app we can register a device. And we can see pictures of the devices here. I'm going to go for the EGLOO. Then we're given a video that tells us how to set up the camera. After you've watched the video that gives you some more in-depth information of how to set it all up, you can go ahead and plug in the camera. The power cable just plugs in to the USB-C socket on the bottom. And then we can plug in the USB end into our power. And once we have a red light on the camera, we can press next on the app. And it tells you on here the different descriptions for the LED readout on the front. So it says please enter wireless router information. And it says press next button when the camera starts beeping with LED blinking in white. We've got the blinking in white. So now we have to put in our Wi-Fi settings. So then we go into the Wi-Fi settings and we can see the EGLOO CAM at the bottom there. And that is now connected. Then we press next. It says please select Wi-Fi to connect to camera. And we're going to go for this top one, which is the Vodafone. And then I just need to put in my Wi-Fi password. And now it says it's connecting to the cloud server.
Connection completed.
So we've connected to the cloud server. We've also got an option to record to the SD card, which you can put on the back there. And it saves 3 days for 1 month on the cloud server. So now we just need to put in a name for the camera. I'm going to put EGLOO. Okay. So now it says the camera has been added normally. Check the camera you have added in the device list. And it's already just picked it up a sound detection from my voice. So now we have the EGLOO camera in the list and we're getting notifications of sound detection. It also says there's a new firmware upgrade which we can download. So now we've done the firmware upgrade, we can come to the main screen here, we can see our EGLOO camera. We can tap onto the camera and we can see live streaming footage at the top here. And at the bottom we can see recorded footage. You can also check the temperature and humidity just underneath the live feed here. If we tap on the 3 dots here we can go into the device setup, and here we can set all of the features for the alarms, for the audio and video quality. We can set up the cloud service. It automatically sets us up on the free 3 days per month service, but you can also go into the cloud service here and you can upgrade it if you want more storage. We can go into the video and audio settings, and in here we can set the resolution of the camera, the quality, the night vision, the rotation, and we can set the volume of the speaker, and we can turn the mic on and off. If you go into full screen mode on the camera, you can control the pan and tilt remotely using the app. We can also schedule when the camera records, and we can set our alarms. I've just turned the sound off so that I don't keep getting notifications while I'm talking as the camera's in front of me, but you can set it to motion and sound. On the room setup here, you can add parameters for different rooms, and you can set the camera and app just the way that you want it to function for you. If you want more information on the setup and a more detailed look at all the different settings in the app, you can go onto the installation manual